got this Hamilton Beach sandwich maker, and I want to make some eggs. I don't really want to make anything but eggs. I'm not going to be making a sandwich, but I am going to be testing it out with the EcoFlow River 2 Pro. Okay, it's on and preheating. Currently pulling 590 watts. When I read the bottom, it's rated for 600, so that's to be expected. Looks like I can make about an hour's worth of sandwiches at this power. Okay, the green light has come on, so it is ready to cook with. Now, I know the egg is supposed to go up in there. She's pretty hot in there. But since I am only making eggs, I'm putting it in the bottom ring and hoping for the best. Okay, number one. I am thankful that the egg did not spill out the sides. I'm going to close it, let it do its thing, and opening it back when it's done. Like other devices that I have tested with the power station, it looks like this one turns on and off as it is working. So right now it's not pulling any power at all from the power station. You can hear that the fan has turned on the power station. And there, it turns off. I'm going to check on the egg and see progress. Oh, it is definitely cooking. Well, you can see here, the egg is rising and pushing the ring up. So I'm going to hope that I have a fully cooked egg. I did spray the ring before doing this, and look at that. Nice egg. The power station is down to 69%, so it did use a little bit of power there, but on the go, this is a good option for making eggs and sandwiches.